So starting our test drive here in the Challenger, I mean, this Scat pack is super tail happy here in the sport mode. Of course, your traction control is dialed down, stability control is dialed down, and really fun to drive. But you get a very nice sound as well from the powertrain and the exhaust. And of course, in sport mode, the shifts are very responsive, and I'll show you on the screen here what everything looks like. Of course, it don't want to work now, but it'll show you your steering, if you have that in sport mode, the transmission, etc. But this auto mode here will actually kind of toggle your eco mode and all of that, but it probably won't let me see it until I stop. So from there, it's legit not wanting to do it now. But anyways, it'll show you what all you have set up. I'm gonna put it back in sport mode because I want to have some fun. Maybe it's because I was in manual mode, I don't know. That's weird. But anyways, here in this auto mode, where it'll automatically toggle your eco mode, I'm actually in 4-cylinder mode, which is really awesome when I'm just coasting down the road. And that'll help you recoup your MPGs for when you take this thing out of a corner and put your foot into it. And I'm going to give it a little throttle coming out of this corner here. Just a really good sound overall. It just sounds so sporty. And that's why these sell like hotcakes. So my assistant just told me that the reason that this wouldn't work is because you have to hit custom. That's the only time it'll do it, and you can actually see everything. So your steering, your traction, your paddle shifters, and then your transmission, all that's set to street in this custom mode here. But we're going to put into sport and try and get on the interstate here. It's very good power. And that rumble, oh, I love it. I'm going to put our foot into it one more time. That's all you're getting. That sound is what gets me. Just really strong exhaust note there, even with the stock exhaust. But that's what you get with an SRT. Whether it's a 392, a Hellcat, doesn't matter. And I'll get into the window sticker in a minute, but I mean, for under 50 grand, you get really good quality power in a vehicle. But with that being said, this is going to bring me to the end of my review of the 22 Challenger RT Scat Pack.